Have you ever wondered why database management is such a big deal in many industries today? Well, it's because data is the lifeblood of our digital age. It's the fuel that powers decision-making, informs strategies, and drives innovation in various sectors. Database management plays a crucial part in this process. It's like a well-oiled machine that ensures data is stored, organized, and retrieved efficiently. Imagine a library with thousands of books, but no catalog or system of arrangement. Finding a specific book would be a nightmare, wouldn't it? That's exactly what database management prevents in the realm of data. It turns a chaotic jumble of information into a well-arranged, accessible resource. Moreover, it's not just about storage and organization. It's also about speed. In a world where time is money, database management helps businesses retrieve data quickly, leading to faster decision-making. So the importance of database management cannot be overstated. It's like the backbone that supports the efficient operation of any data-driven organization. So what exactly is database management? Well, imagine a vast library with countless books, but no librarians, no catalogs, and no organization. It would be an absolute nightmare to find the book you need, wouldn't it? That's where database management comes in. It's the librarian of the digital world, helping to store, retrieve, and manage data effectively. Think of it as a system that not only organizes your data, but also ensures it's secure and maintains its integrity. It's like a vault that keeps your valuables safe, but also like a personal assistant who knows exactly where everything is and can fetch it for you in an instant. Some common database management systems you might have heard of include NoSQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. Don't worry if those sound like gibberish right now. Just remember this. They are tools that help us manage and navigate the vast sea of data we deal with every day. In essence, database management is the system that makes data work for you, ensuring it's safe, organized, and accessible when you need it. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Database management, a key cog in the wheel of various industries, is a process that allows us to store, retrieve, and manipulate data in a database. It's the crux of any digital operation, be it in healthcare, finance, education, or even your local grocery store. We've further delved into the heart of what database management is and what it does. It's about much more than just storing data. It's about ensuring data integrity, accessibility, and security. It's about making sense of vast amounts of information and transforming them into actionable insights. I encourage you all to dive deeper into the world of database management systems, understand their nuances, their capabilities, and their potential impact on your respective fields. Remember, in a world where data is king, understanding and managing your data effectively could set you apart. So, keep learning and stay data savvy.